G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. If you've ever stood next to a misting fan or felt a breeze coming off the ocean, you've already experienced evaporative cooling. You just might not have realized it. Today, we're breaking down what evaporative cooling is, how it works, and where it's most effective, all in plain English. Evaporative cooling is one of the oldest and most natural ways to cool air. It works by using water to lower the air temperature. Here's the basic idea. When warm air passes over water, like a wet pad or surface, the water evaporates. And that evaporation process draws heat out of the air, making it cooler. That cooler air is then blown into the room or workspace using a fan. So instead of using refrigerant gases or compressors like an air conditioner, evaporative coolers use water and airflow to get the job done. That makes them energy efficient and eco-friendly. Think of it like this. When you get out of the ocean on a hot day and the breeze hits you, you feel cooler, right? That's evaporative cooling at work. Same principle, just scaled up for warehouses, workshops, and open plan work areas. Evaporative coolers are especially great in hot, dry climates, like much of inland Australia. The lower the humidity, the better they perform. They work best in open or semi-open spaces with good airflow because they need a constant supply of fresh, dry air to be effective. This includes warehouses, garages, and workshops, outdoor or semi-enclosed spaces, and areas with low humidity. Now, they're not magic. If you're in a humid environment, like right on the coast during a stormy week, evaporative cooling won't be as effective. And they don't chill the air like air conditioners do. What they do is give you a steady stream of fresh, cool airflow that feels great on the skin, improves ventilation, and costs a lot less to run. Another bonus? They're often much cheaper to operate than refrigerated systems. Less power, no gas, fewer parts. But remember, they do use water, so you'll need to keep them topped up during hot spells. So, to sum it up, evaporative cooling is a natural, energy-efficient way to cool down large spaces, especially when humidity is low and airflow is key. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but in the right environment, it can make a massive difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe. We're all about helping you make better HVAC choices. And finally, at Fanmaster, we're more than fans. We're the experts in cooling, heating, and ventilation.